This is bird Qigong from the 5 animals. We'll start with the foot movement. First of all, stand like a tree, the starting position for Qigong. Feel the weight of your body going down through your feet. Also sending the tailbone down like a taproot. The top of the head gently moving towards the sky, creating a vertical axis. And let the breath be in the lower body. Create a little bit of space between your arms and the sides of the body. Shift the weight over onto one side. It doesn't matter which side we start on. And step forward, not too far, not too wide or not too narrow. So just being comfortable. Commit the weight to the front foot. Bring the back foot closer, but keep the weight down through the front foot. Closer still, so the back foot is against the ankle. Weight still down through that original foot. And then we go on the other side. So back to the starting position. Shift the weight down through the other foot, stepping forward comfortably. So we have 2 stages. Commit the weight to the front foot. Foot comes closer. Foot comes to ankle. Back to the starting position. You don't have to do this as a walking Qigong, but it blends itself very nicely to doing that. I'll just do the foot movements one more time. And if you were walking forward, you would just shift forward diagonally, like so, so that you could progress forward. So the upper body movements are like this. The hands come up, the palms facing up to about chest level, and then they open. So they come up to about chest level and open. And open like the birds of a wing, and the wings of a bird, and you can imagine the air circulating under them. And then they come down as you squat down, and your wrists crossed, your palms are facing up, and they come up and around and then back down to the starting position. Here it is again. And once again. And so if we put all that together, and there is a bit of a balance challenge there, and that's fine. And we would normally do around 6 to each side. Thank you.